friends, and welcome to this video. Let's do an interesting experiment today where we went into the global top 100 charts, find a pop song, and turn it into a EDM banger. So at first we went to the fridge and searched for leftovers, because I am hungry, but I don't find anything because I was producing all day and all night. Then we go back to our bedroom studio, what we haven't cleaned up for 6 years, and starting to create a banger that nobody would ever listen to. Ha 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 ha. So now we opened up our favorite Florida studio and have absolute no inspiration. So we gonna distract ourselves with watching YouTube videos and memes. After 2 hours of watching two guys building an entire house with a water slide, I went back to Florida studio again, but I still have no inspiration. So 4 minutes later I find myself watching Zelensky wide walking with epic music. After that I questioned my whole existence on this planet, so I went back to my FL Studio one last time and get the idea. Let's take a charting pop song and make it bang. So what I do is I scroll through the songs here and think about if the song could work with EDM, and obviously I also have to like the song a bit. When I hear such Spanish songs I could throw up immediately. But then I found this song, which is actually the #1 song at the moment, and felt the vibe. This song we gonna remix and it will fit, guys, I promise. After getting several copyright strikes at this point, we jump over to YouTube and search the song and downloading it. Everybody knows how to do it, ha ha ha. So now we drag it into our DAW. So at first I set the project into the golden number of EDM 128. Then I double-click on the song, right-click on time, auto-detect, and click on 100 to 200, and FL Studio automatically fits the file onto our BPM of the project. At first I put the sound into the first mixer channel, and I open up the equalizer, and cut out the low frequencies to make space for our bass line and drums. Now we listen to the song and imagine which bass line could work with it. I already have something in my head, so let's now grab a bass sample from the Engine 2.0 pack. I select the first, the second, and the 16th. Now I make a bass line which fits to the song. I like to keep it simple. I just use the basic notes of the bass line. Simple, simple, simple. Only at the end of a bar I change up some notes and rhythms to give it tiny variations. Now I copy this bass line and put it into the other bass samples too, so our bass line is thicker. Let's listen to the basses real quick. They sounding nice, but I boost the mid frequencies even more, and I grab the kickstart plugin for the side chain so it sounds more bouncy. So now to make the track bang, we need some heavy drums. The Engine 2.0 pack always do his job on this. See, I grab one of my favorite kicks, the Kick 40, and drag it into our project. We get a simple but nice clap, and a reverse clap for more groove, and of course a hi-hat. And with this we make a simple drum pattern like this. Sounds clean. To spice it up a bit we take a kinda crashed sound in an impact and an ambient shot. Yay, thoughts sound so nice. After this heavy part we need a more smooth part, where the break of the songs comes in. So of course we go into our Engine 2.0 Serum Bank B, and select one of the decreased basses there, and create a bass line, which just follows the bass notes of the song. And now we are remaking the melody of the song with a little pluck also from the same Serum Bank. The retro pluck will fit really well. Now duplicate it and done. To make the melody more smooth, we make a little filter automation in the break which opens up when hitting the next drop again. Now, to build tension in the second part of the break, we take two built-up samples, a riser, a drum fill and a perk loop sample from the engine pack, and let's listen to it real quick. Nice. So for the second drop right here, we just add all elements together to really give it the energy, and I also put another shaker loop into it, even more groove. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done with our interesting experiment. Let's listen to the final result together. All samples and presets used in this track is from the Engine 2.0 Slap House pack. This pack is a perfect fit if you are searching a pack to make remixes like this. It is outstanding when you want to make all kinds of slap house tracks in general, because it has all kinds of sick bass sample, amazing drum samples and FX sounds, and a couple hundred presets for Serum and Sylenth 1. And this pack comes with 2 bonuses. It includes 5 project files where you can dive deep into the process. So guys, if you want to make music like this, grab this pack, it is really amazing. Okay guys, and now let's listen to our remix together and write down in the comments below which version you prefer. My ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. I love you.